Be Blizzard. Scam your customers with false advertising garbage games. Molest female employees. Sell out your pro players to Chinese overlords. Molest female employees. Get invested and fined for molesting all those women. Announce hero is homosexual to cover up abuse. Get kicked out of China for being too gay. Lose more than half of your player base. Molest woman until she commits end life. Your hero creativity diversity o-meter does not qualify you for ESG money. Steal women's breast milk from the office refrigerator. Lie to players about your PvE mode and to sell them a battle pass with garbage rewards. Have terrible balancing and make awful gameplay changes. Players abandon your game. Crawl the game and beg them to save your dying game. All I can offer you is a front page advertisement for a week. Here you are.